Hi, my name is Chris Anderson. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist, as well as a certified blank therapist. In other words, I help people with their love life. You see, there's a certain vocabulary I have to avoid on Facebook, even in the name of education, so I'll have to choose my words very carefully in this video. Maybe you're in a romantic relationship, but you and your partner's levels of desire don't quite line up. Or perhaps this isn't very enjoyable to you and it never really has been. Or maybe you're having trouble standing at attention, in the military. Whatever your difficulty might be, there's a very good chance there's some kind of mental block running interference. While this could be caused by past trauma, it's also very likely to be caused by all the very unhelpful messages out there, many of which are absolutely false. One of the best solutions to these issues is proper education. And no, I'm not talking about the typical approach of simply explaining how babies are made or some diseases that you don't want. I'm talking about how to approach this type of activity in a way that takes the pressure off and just makes it about enjoyment. Doesn't that sound nice? Well, if that does sound nice to you, I'm actually going to be doing a presentation at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, April 14th at 6 p.m. It's called A Healthier, Low-Pressure Approach to that thing we're talking about. But don't worry, come April 14th, we're going to be able to say all the words. Hope to see you there.